I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Oh Lord, what a mess. I thought I was cleaning things up, and obviously that was kidding myself, if not out lying to myself. But I have got a couple of things done. I got the tire repaired on that thing so it'll hold air again. That was a big step. Now I can move stuff with it. And you can't see amidst all the chaos here, but there are some things that have left. I mean, I've got a battery that's going to have to go into the tractor because I have to turn the mulch pile. It's fall. And I have been dumping grass on the mulch pile all summer long. And I have started the tractor just once this year. And I have to get out there and get it started again. Well, the battery was dead. I charged up the battery, which meant I had to get out the big charger. And tried out the little charger on the battery, and it did a good job of charging it up. So, we're good on that. Now I'm going to go out and see if I can get the tractor started, roll the mulch pile, and go from there. It's going to be fun. Yep, this is the mulch pile. The leaves from last fall are pretty much decomposed. I mean, this is the stuff from this year. And grass tends to decompose quickly. It turns into pretty good dirt, actually. So by springtime, I should have pretty much dirt there that I can pick up and drag around with a hydro hoe and dump out in the yard. See if I can't fill in some low spots. But in the meantime, I have to get the tractor that we call Iron Mike and see if I can't get this thing to fire up and go. First thing I got to do is put the battery in it. It's always a pain. But there's an additional issue going on here. I got a spider living in here bigger than me. Regular old cousin of Shelob. Reference to Lord of the Rings. We're going to take a stick and go in there and see if we can't knock the web down so that Shelob can't climb up and grab me by the neck. Don't mind her crawling around on the ground as much as I do when it lands on my head. Now we slide the battery in. Sounds easier than it is. This thing is heavy. Phew. Battery tie down is minimal. Well, we're showing battery charge. Choke. Get the fuel turned on. See if she'll turn over. Well, I've got it stirred up and mostly flattened out. Hard to believe that this big pile of dirt here was leaves on the trees that I picked up with a mower bagger, and they just rotted down into this stuff. Actually pretty good topsoil. I got about a pickup load here. Well, probably if I was loading a pickup, it'd be 2 pickup loads, which is enough to fill some holes in the yard and make things a little better. First thing I do is I go back in the back and I grab a hold of the dirt pile that's back there from last year, and I pull it forward over the top of the grass pile from this year. Then I take the resulting mixed up pile of junk and spread it out flat again so that over the winter it sits and soaks, gets wet and rots. Hard to believe, but the pile actually gets warm. Yeah, it's decomposing. I don't think it's going to spontaneously combust because it's mostly dirt, but it does kind of turn into mulch. Plain old topsoil, black stuff. This little hole here that I've got filled up with dirt was as low as that spot over there. So it was time well spent. Iron Mike's happy he got to be out here digging up stuff and making a mess. And nothing's better for a tractor than to get fired up and run every once in a while. Need to get this tractor out more often, but things been going kind of sideways this year. Lots of other things going on and things I need to take care of. But we've made a big jump in the list today. I got the tractor started. Well, first off I got the battery charged, then I got the tractor started. Now I've got the tractor out of the shed, and I think we've got a pretty good day done. Suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. We're getting there. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.